You are on their mind the most. They have strong romantic feelings for you. They hide their feelings, they cloak their feelings, and they are cloaking their passion for you. They can't hide it because it's bringing up a lot of fears. It's bringing up a lot of fears of what if I fall too deeply and then it ends disastrously? Like, what if this just destroys me? Like, the feelings that they have for you are very potent. They're also feeling, what if my mother doesn't like them? You know, will we be able to collaborate, the three of us, me, them, my mum? They're feeling like all these different types of feelings. And they want to go into their shell and hide their feelings. And for some of you, they wish that their feelings were a thing. They see you as someone that stands out, someone that brings a soothing, healing energy whenever they encounter you. You are their favorite person, and they think about you a lot. They get happy and excited whenever they see you. For some of you, this could be someone that you met at a group club organization. You may have the same friends, and this person does have options, but they don't care about these options. They see you as their Queen of Cups. They often think about you whenever they go to bed at night. And as much as they would like to rid of this feeling, they can't, because you have ignited a flame within this individual. Your energy gives them life, but not in a way, in a energy vampire type of way, more in a, oh, I can't wait to see, you're very high vibrational. They see you as very expansive. They see you as, I'm hearing for some of you, they're happily ever after. For others of you, I'm hearing their good luck charm. They just feel so positive about you, and you make them happy whenever they encounter you. And it's like this person is fanning over you, but not in a, uncomfortable way, more in a way of, finally I met someone that is my match. Finally I met someone that inspires me, that celebrates me, that doesn't try and stifle me or hide me, snuff out my flames. Because many people can become intimidated by this individual, and they feel like you encourage them to be the best version of themselves. You're like their biggest cheerleader. And I'm hearing they can't thank you enough. This person is extremely abundant, and they feel like together, both of you can create abundance together. Maybe they're thinking about going into business with you. For some of you, this person wants to elevate with you or help you to elevate in some way or the other. They want both of you to elevate together. They want both of you to win. And some people are unhappy about this because they see how happy you make this person and how happy this person makes you. And it makes them feel like, am I not enough? Like I said, this person has options, but they may have let a few people down. This could be like a love interest, a mother figure, a mum for some of you. Because this person was forced to choose whether it was spoken or unspoken, and it made them feel stuck. They could see the drama surrounding you. They could see that there was a lot of competition in regards to accessing their energy, and they shut it down. They shut it down because they could see that people were trying to target your confidence due to jealousy. They could see, and they protected you because they love you, whether people like it or not. You or this person or people mentioned in this reading could be of the signs Pisces, Cancer, Pisces, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Pisces, Leo, Taurus, Aquarius, Scorpio, Leo, and Pisces. Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, Venus, North, South Node, or Lilith.